Chinese turnip cake, also known as white radish cake, is a very popular dim sum dish. It's usually made with rice flour, white radish, and a variety of fillings. It is first steamed and then pan-fried until golden brown. We are partnering with Kayanoya and we'll use Kayanoya original
Dashi style powder to make Chinese turnip cake. I'm sure you and your family will enjoy it. Let's get started.
Over medium-low heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil, the Chinese sausage, shiitake mushrooms, and pre-soaked dry shrimp. Stir fry until aromatic for 2 minutes. Then add the white part of the scallions and cook until aromatic for about 30 seconds. Remove from the pan. Over high heat, add the water and bring it to a simmer. Place the Chinese white radish inside. Cover the lid and boil until softened for about 5 minutes. Remove and reserve the liquid from the pot. The liquid should be 2.5 cups. Cool it down for about 15 minutes. In a mixing bowl, add the rice flour, cornstarch, salt, white pepper, oil, and Kayanoya original Dashi stock powder. It's made with bonito flakes, kelp, round herring, and grilled flying fish. I love it that there's absolutely no chemical seasoning or preservatives added. Add the reserved liquid inside and whisk until smooth. Let's talk a little bit more about Kayanoya original Dashi stock powder. You could use it to make a dashi stock. Just add the package in the water and simmer over medium heat for 3 minutes. Or use it as a seasoning to increase the umami flavor. It's super convenient and easy to use. On top of the dashi stock powder, I also really like Kayanoya original mushroom stock powder and Kayanoya original shrimp stock powder. And now let's come back to our recipe. In a pot with the Chinese white radish inside, over low heat, return the Chinese sausage, shiitake mushrooms, and dry shrimp mixture, and pour the batter in it. Stir until it is thickened for 2 minutes. In an 8x8 cake pan, line the bottom with parchment paper. Pour the batter into the cake pan. In a large steamer over high heat, bring water to a boil. Transfer the cake pan inside. Cover the lid. Steam for about 1 hour until completely cooked through. Let the turnip cake cool down completely. Add Kayanoya double aging soy sauce. It's made with the 2-stage brewing method, which requires twice the time and ingredients. Its color, taste, and aroma are rich, full body. Also add the sesame oil and the green part of the scallions. Whisk. Flip it down on a cutting board and remove the parchment paper. Cut it into 1-inch pieces. In a pan over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil and place the turnip cake in the pan. Cook until lightly brown for about 30 seconds on each side. Serve the turnip cake with the dipping sauce. Here's more information on the company that created Kayanoya. Their business was founded in 1893. For over 130 years, they have made seasonings with no chemical seasoning or preservatives. They make cooking easy, tasty, and more enjoyable. This is exactly what I believe in. I'll put their website and Facebook page in the description box. I'm sure you and your family will enjoy them as much as I do.
This is absolutely delicious. It's kind of bouncy, so tasty, and full of umami taste. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!